Holy. It's a peacock bass. Followed it all the way to the boat. Got it!
All right. Wow. That's probably the one I hooked twice.
Probably, it's an idiot. That's hilarious. It followed that son of a bitch all the way. I don't even think it's all that big. Where? This is exactly how Rick described his day yesterday. Whoa! Shit's a monster.
They look like prehistoric, those big bug eyes and that big mouth.
It's no 12 pounds, but it's good.
That's a nice fish.
Well, maybe. That is pretty sweet.
That's the one that hit mine a couple of times.
Jesus.
And then hooked up. Alright, you ready? There we go.
Alright, great.